Hello guys, so welcome to tonight's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today not the first time we see our program, we're able to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I'm gonna start with tonight's show. Alright, so reports reaching us from CNN Portugal. Now the fact says Sporting Lisbon will sue Gyokeres. They watch. They observe Gyokeres, say they go swan if he do mistake, saying they follow Arsenal go pre-season, when they never finish the deal, saying they follow Arsenal delegation waka, you get, or say one come wrong come Arsenal, we will say they never finalize, they no go take am easy with them because when you look at what CNN Portugal put out, one of the journalists waiting for CNN, when they analyze the story and Sports Bible carried this particular story. Now, Sporting could file a lawsuit against Viktor Gyokeres after striker has taken things into his own hands to seal Arsenal move. You get all the things we do. They see the think whether make them file lawsuit. That's why they say could file, so they never dey sure. They see the think, but come get another one. You say that one I go guarantee. Say that one go trigger them. When you go through this Sports Bible report, when you read them down, you will see as reported by CNN. The Swedish International's house is undergoing changes with a house removal van. The end of the saga is near. I will still come to that particular story. However, CNN Portugal's Bruno Andrade has claimed that if Gyokeres were to travel to Arsenal before the deal was done, it could lead to a legal action. Taking to social media, an ex-user translated Andrade's report saying if Gyokeres travels to the Arsenal delegation, it's one of two things. Anytime Gyokeres travel, that means the deal is 100% done, add-ons agreed. Or if he does it without finalizing a deal, he's giving Sporting Lisbon's management grounds for lawsuits against him because, but this is absolutely unlikely. So one could just watch and see how all these things go unfold. Sporting the Paragon, look at the message you their fans. It's obvious their fans are taking side because I don't see another banner with Sporting Lisbon fans they unveil for their training session say nobody's interest is above the club's interest. That one means say they don't already take the club side over Gyokeres. You get. So Federico Verandas, who is the president of Sporting Lisbon, he has won the PR battle. You get. So the best thing now for Gyokeres to find square roots. So now talking about the van when CNN Portugal they talk about, it's just this image. It trended today. Where they say, na CNN post them, where they say get one removal van waiting for Gyokeres' house. They pack chair, they put inside, they pack some kind of things. So they call the talk say na removal say na Gyokeres they pack in load, they prepare like personal items, they pack in load to go stay for London. You get so now the part of the things we dey hear. Although Dean James can clarify, according to CNN Portugal, later post an update, say no be Gyokeres they pack the load though. Say na Gyokeres' brother Anton. Say na him, 9 day there, they pack some items come up for the house. Obviously, as Gyokeres no go dey there for some time now, he dey go back, he dey come London. But Baba never travel to London at the moment. Now, I remember when Fabrizio Romano talk say Hassan Shetsenkaya is still in London. That's Gyokeres' agent. He's still in London. That instead they say they will trash out the deals because the expectation was for the deal to be agreed today. But from the look of things, I don't think that deal is going to be agreed today. Maybe now on Sunday because all the whole magical they hear about Gyokeres. Now Sunday, we they hear everything. So maybe it could happen on Sunday. Now it is one of two things. Either if the deal comes, I'm not so sure like the deal will ever happen. If it happens, Gyokeres may not go to Singapore and meet the guys. If it was still there for London, try to sort in housing, we has buy house now. Try to sort some kind of things. Just like Noni Madueke, you say that one say no, they follow them go pre-season. You go wait until when they come back, you go come involved for the Emirates Cup. So probably now for the Emirates Cup, we will see Viktor Gyokeres because they see the trash out the little two details. What is the trash out? Normally, now small thing, but because Sporting based on who them be, they go make that small thing look like one kind of big thing. That's what the problem dey. We don't handle the way this one, we don't handle the that must be declared, that must be this one. But then this one they go choke you till the final bus stop. I don't know why they have this bad reputation. Now, based on what Fabrizio Romano talk, people can't see this same post if Fabrizio Romano can post today. Say Noah Lang don't join Napoli. You see, Napoli define winger. They be the pursue and Garnacho. By the end of the day, they didn't sign Garnacho, so then can't get Noah Lang. Now, people can add 1 + 1 equals to 2, but you know really equals to anything because Romano can't defend himself. They can say, no be, because in case you don't know, the person will wear brown there. That is Gyokeres agent, Hassan Shetinkaya. Now he still be Noah Lang agent, and this is him in Italy, in Naples. People going to talk say, no be the person they talk say they for London with this. Romano know what they talk as they call it drag Fabrizio Romano on Twitter again. To the extent so they say Romano got released a statement, reply somebody. So Romano going to talk say see, because the person say Fabrizio said today on YouTube that Gyokeres agents were still in London, that they say Fabrizio Romano fell off badly. Romano come guys reply say, this picture, she be na me post am. Na me post the picture. Nobody get that photo. Na me post am myself. And don't be today they take am. So relax with the propaganda. Relax. The thing I say confirm. That's how to do it. They just call you out, come out and defend yourself. So Romano come tell everybody say, even though that was Hassan Shetinkaya, but you know me say that today then take that picture. In just they post am today because today they announce the deal it gets. So the agents are still, in fact, Romano, the way to put am, say the agents are still in London. Any minute from now, any hour from now, you could hear here we go. Because many other media houses when they post say, yeah, things are going according to plan. Because that's not thing. Add-ons. It's not really the fixed fee. So at the end of the day, the deal should go right and down. Nothing like say it go collapse, so it go shaking. We sports don't already move on. They don't already get their replacement. Don't forget the guy in himself. They don't identify the guy. One Suarez like that, so they won't sign. So now they will use. So that one don't go. Now, away from that, just Arsenal. Can they look at the fact that Gyokeres may not fly out with Arsenal squad this weekend? I think I've already taken this report, though I give my own opinion on what I see, saying according to Sports Witness that Gyokeres is now not expected to be on the plane with the squad as they travel for the next stage of that preseason. And I think that's understandable. So maybe they sort out this deal. It gets better sort them out. So that everybody go rest. We all know say the guy an Arsenal player, but everybody's just looking for that. And here we go. It gets. So now it's everybody's fine. But for me, I'm calm, I'm relaxed from the beginning. I don't get any fear. Now our player ain't go big. Yes. So in go there. I want to believe before Emirates Cup, in go down there available to follow us, rock our jersey. Now I saw this image trending. So TNT Sports post time. Vinicius Jr. immortalized. So Vinicius unveiled a statue where they for Rio de Janeiro. Now when you look at the two pictures, the one will be the statue and the one will be a Brazilian jersey, but look how alive this statue did. Like come just say them be twin. In fact, if they tell you say maybe that's one waiting for rights, that now maybe a real picture where they don't snap. If you believe her, because it looked so real. Like in fact, it looked like real Vinicius. So the thing is really funny. But everybody talk about them on social media. So in case you never say, I just say, well, they can still show you. Now, ESPN UK, when they put out these statistics, no player had a higher pass accuracy than William Saliba in the Premier League last season. According to who scored, for you to know how good William Saliba did, no player had something like that. Another transformation where people going to talk about on social media. Look at Kai Havertz 2024. Look at Kai Havertz 2025. After he got that injury, Papa just go bulk up as in everybody going to talk say, like say the way they take the bully Kai Havertz, because she better talk and say the way they bully the guy like a leg. Maybe I take a look and say, come, you guys go bulk up, you get so that you say you will bully people, so that they see almost every fear. Someone's mass everywhere. I'm not just understand, sha. Well, now when match start, sha. Although you go for bench, they observe normal. Yes, so when they call them, like 15 minutes to go, being considered go using only a day, help us some locks on kind things. So that one said, I'm very happy for him. That progress, because if he said they see Gyokeres way almost everywhere, the person will tell you. Now he said, you guys go equip yourself as a striker. Defenders can be bullying you anyhow. You need to stand your ground. So I did very happy. Now talking about statistics, the company also tell us about Miles Lewis scale. Now, I don't know if you're aware, Across the last 8 Premier League seasons, only 3 defenders who have played 20 plus games have not been dribbled past. Now, they can give you context. When you look at waiting ESPN, because ESPN UK put out the picture, they can't drop statistics for the 2018-2019 season. Nobody dribbled Virgil van Dijk. 2020-2021, nobody dribbled David Luiz. David Luiz, I think that was when we bought him from Chelsea. Miles Kelly last season, nobody dribbled him. This is not a small feat. This Miles Kelly, you don't hear him before. Say the guy for that left wing going there, he had to dribble. This guy made Rodri look ordinary. When people gonna say, I know the Rodri be this, Rodri play for Real Madrid. When we say Pep, they say, Rodri na killer, this one, that one. You know if you dribble Miles, get. For you to know the prodigy we will get for hands. How old is he? Like I just did, very, very happy. Look at this left wing. People forget, once upon a time, we used to have a certain Kylian Tierney who we didn't really trust, because I think I don't really trust him. Get for the system. Then we had a certain Zinchenko where they come in there, is good going forward, doing the batting role, but there are lapses in that area. People they use there, the bombers. Now, our backline will not get any Achilles heel. Center back, nothing. Left back, confirm. Simba, as in, when you look at next season, Masukeli control the left, nothing they happen there. Simba did the right, nothing they happen. Saliba and Gabriel Magalhaes, center back, nothing. No, where you want pass? You can't get maybe that right, because it depending on if they play big team now, if you use double pivot like 2 defensive midfielders, people can carry no guard and they can stay from the front of the back four. Where you want pass? That is why when they say Arsenal are the best defensive team in the league back to back in quick successions, don't be fluke. It is intentional. We planned, we wanted to do it. Say that they buy defender. It is for a reason. And the same, you can't look the bench, they say Ben White, former number 1. For the fullback, he never bench, they wait for him time. Because Simba don't usurp your authority. Baba, this is the squad depth you are clamoring for. You're going to see the likes of Calafiori going to still there. We say by now they acclimatize to the league, don't understand how things they go. That's what they call, that's what they cry for now. Don't be going to look back and see or tap. People they happy. So that is just it. Next season, we'll just pray. The only place we have a problem, but that attack. So may God do one for us. Gyokeres is coming. Everywhere stew. No, I can't. Well, if you see the guy argument telling me as some of my friends say will they get, I tell them say next season, the Arsenal way you go see, you no go believe him. He go shock you. Now, in a twist of events, Manchester City don't sign Nypan of Rosenborg. I've been see the one sign this guy, go give one of their small clubs with the part of their conglomerates. I don't know, say now Etihad gone. The guy won't play for, because that was what we were hearing before. See, the one sign and not be for Man City. But surprisingly, they announced him. And the guy said, on the yarn, he said the reason we make him pick Manchester City is because they play for they play under one of the best managers. The best in the world, Pep Guardiola. Not one of them, say coached by the best in the world. So that was the key factor in him joining Manchester City. Well, I ain't getting him out. Now, away from that. All right, let's bring you a message from one of our sponsors, Poria Logistics and Delivery Services. They are into import and export, pickup delivery, doorstep delivery, courier delivery, haulage, transport logistics, dispatch, and errand services. Now, if you want to ship to USA, Canada, UK, Europe, the VIP runner. Okay, so that one makes sense. At the same time, if you want to receive from these destinations, the VIP also do it. So if you're interested in any of their services, you can call them on +234 807547 8645 or 08092445644. And their head office is at Block D, Shop 41, Binokolo Ultra Modern Market, or Jota, Lagos. And their Ikorodu office is at number 28, Oriwu Road, Italewa, Ikorodu, Lagos State. So if you're interested in any of their services, please do give them a call. Now, away from that also, so we're going to get another information. Say for this preseason we won't go. Say people like Bakary Sagna and the likes of Gilberto Silva, they will accompany the Arsenal first team to their 2025 Asian tour. Now, when I saw this, I was like, No be this saga wey leave us run go Man City that year. How you be say na saga na wan come give this ambassadorship? You go give another person. Because this guy he leave us japa. Abi no be him? Sagna, Nasri that year. Looks all of them they japa. Yes, so they leave us come out, they go find trophy. Even my person said japa, go Manchester United, they go win league. So, but it's all good. It's all good. At least they see they relate with Arsenal. It's all good. Now, Manchester United wants to sign Oli Watkins. Oli Watkins say yes, they open to the move because he won't come off Aston Villa, so in the open to the move. We'll just watch. I don't know once upon a time Arsenal had interest in Oli Watkins, but now we say don't get our main man. If I would be think say they go buy that and buy another striker, but from the look of things, I don't think we are heading to that direction anymore. So no issue, we'll leave that one. Now, away from that also, so William Saliba took on the top ahead of this new season where they go. So Saliba on the top say I want to win big things with Arsenal. Yet, and the reason they say if you come off Arsenal now and you don't win anything, fans go forget you. Nobody they remember because we finished second 3 times. Or say, in so season and then be the best defensive team in the league. I want good gun. The villain say, I want good. Nobody they remember that one. Now what thing you win? Now they remember. People can never forget the invisibles. All those kind of iconic history. That's what they remember. So that's why Saliba say, what they really hold on here. Say one win. But this type of message you ain't drop. I don't really like that message because what you're trying to tell us now is maybe if you just win something now, you find a square root. Say, okay, I don't win something for Arsenal. So, I read Madrid, Mark on joining now. So I don't know, but me just the talk. But more just the watch. Are they happy say next season we are now intentional in winning something next season? All the players they talk on. And I want to let you know for free. Say these players they won't win more than you and I. They won't win more than me and you. Arteta, I don't think say get anybody who won't win trophies more than Arteta. So if you think say you they never win donkey years, Baba, you know the way Arteta they go through. Himself won't win because at the end of the day, if Arteta don't win anything, they can't sack him. Nobody will remember say he pick us from gutter, raise us up to the pedestal. You say everybody shouts Arsenal not. Nobody will remember all that one. In history and in legacy will just go down the drain. So he needs to win. All Arteta needs is just one cup. One. He go open the floodgates. Just one. Not go start from one. That is the way me I see him. Alright, let's bring another message from another of our sponsors, Moby Wealth Associates and Co Limited. They are into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shore protection works. They are also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, you can call them on +234 80646422 34, and they're located at number 7 Ekenwo Road or Razi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of the services, do give them a call. Now, the biggest news of the night, as a matter of fact, is Sporting Lisbon. They set to sue Viktor Gyokeres if he traveled to Singapore with Arsenal when the deal never finished. They observe him, they watch him. Oh, but they carry that guy for mind to make up just step up. Well, by the answer of us, I think 65 players want to call the show and then like come your way tomorrow morning to give you the morning news. So then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your night. Now, good night and get out. All right, guys. Ciao.